Hawai'i Nature Center, 808-244-6500, or toll free at 188-244-6503. It's located in 875 Iao Valley Road, Wailuku, Hawaii. Be sure to visit this interactive nature museum and take the Rainforest Walk, where more than 30 museum exhibits and a personal introduction to the Hawaiian rainforest guaranteed to make your visit to Maui special and memorable. Book your reservations early for the Rainforest Walk and Interactive Nature Museum by calling 808-244-6500. The museum and the gift shop are open daily from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. The Rainforest Walks can be booked at 11:30 a.m. or 1:30 p.m. Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. or 2 p.m. on Saturdays and Sundays. Walkers must be 5 years old or older. Please wear closed-toed shoes suitable for an uneven trail. The cost for the Rainforest Walk is $29.95 for adults and $19.95 for children. The fee includes the visit to the museum. You can visit the museum for just $6 for adults and $4 for children.